And welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at an absolutely stunning 1979 Dodge Little Red Express pickup truck. Guys, this is one of the nicest, it's the nicest one I've ever owned. It is probably one of the nicest ones I've ever seen. 36,000 original miles. And then 4.5 years ago, a gentleman here locally had this truck completely pulled apart and had a frame off restoration done to it. Just killer truck. Of course, it's factory color combination, really just the way it would have come. He said when he had the truck restored, if he had to replace something, he used NOS parts. And this truck is killer. It's as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. Now this stuff is original. So you can nitpick a little bit, but very, very nice, guys. Gorgeous paint. He did have the truck completely painted, pulled apart and repainted. Dual chrome mirrors. Of course, it's got the factory stacks. That's the original wood. Just a gorgeous truck. Again, the resto was done 4.5 years ago, and it looks like it was done yesterday. Look how nice that truck is. Wait till you see the bottom of it. That thing is brand freaking new. And it drives like $1,000,000. I mean, it drives like a new 79. New Cooper Cobras. It's got stainless exhaust underneath there. Now that's not factory, so he's upgraded that. Matching numbers, 360 cubic inch engine. Really just bone stock underneath here. I mean, look how nice the engine compartment is. Jackson here. Power steering, power disc brakes. It's got factory air. The air blows cold. Cruise control. Electronic ignition. Factory chrome air cleaner and valve covers. It's a 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Original trim tag. I mean, look how nice that truck is. Turn the key, take it right to a car show. Sorry guys, I missed some bugs up there. I'll make sure the guys get that clean. Yeah, we really did nothing to this thing. I mean, we just wiped it down. I ordered new mats for it. Looks like it's got the original door handles. Look how nice this thing is in here. Look at this truck. This is supposed to be all the original interior. Factory seat. Look how nice that is. Again, I ordered the mats for it. 36,458. Look how nice the gauges are. Factory radio works. Like I say, air blows cold. There's this original CB for it. Tach and gauges, all that stuff works. Original owner's manuals in the glove box. This thing is gorgeous. Factory rear axle. Just a super nice truck. Spares under there. Look at how nice this thing is underneath. You can put mirrors underneath it and show it. Like I say, I can't say I've ever seen a nicer one. I mean, look at how nice this truck is. Wood grain's really nice again. That's the original CB still in the box. Always just fires right up. Nathan just kicked your air on, it blows cold. What a sweetheart. I mean, look how nice the truck is. You could not come close to building this truck for what we're asking for, I'll tell you that right now. Of course, he's got great sound out of the stacks. Gauges are all functional. Tach works. Again, radio works. Everything opens and closes nice. Backup lights work. What a killer truck.
Gorgeous tail of your machine.
The radio works. You want a nice little red express. That's gonna be tough to beat right there. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Lots of people asking, do we keep a list? How do we get on a list? We don't do that. We just get way too many requests. We could never keep up with them.